My difference, the market has opened a little gap down, but market recovered immediately, and now we can see the market is a little bit under pressure. So if you're wondering what is the trend of the market here, then again we are not very sure, because the fundamentals are changing so frequently that market is also pretty much confused, because in this particular portion of the market was stuck in a range. Then we saw a breakdown, because market obviously, okay, it's a zero sum game, it won't stay in a range. So there was a breakdown and market recovered immediately, and market is back in the range again. So what is the trend of the market here? God knows. Nobody knows what is the trend of the market here, because market is stuck in a range, and the fundamentals decide the trend of the market. And right now fundamentals are also pretty much confused. They are also changing so frequently that that we do not see anything big on the chart right now, or any clarity. Okay. For example, if you look at the today's market sentiment, you can see gold slips on stronger dollar, oil Trump decision on Iran ceasefire in focus. So so let them decide. Okay, hope the conflict will be resolved soon, and we will get some clarity on the chart of gold, and peace will come soon. Anyways, let's discuss the trading opportunities for the day. As we have already discussed in our previous video also, that 4600 is going to play a major role here. Okay, because for the market to be bullish again, or gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 4600. And as we can already see, market has tested 4600 many times, so there's a high chance that by this week, okay, market will break 4600, because market doesn't like common things. For example, when market is stuck in the range, we got a breakout. Similarly, okay, there's a high chance that market will try to go above 4600. But as of now, okay, market is struggling to go up. Okay, so today during the day, there's a possibility that, my dear friend, market will come to the level of 4500. 4500 is another level. Yes, 4500 is another level, a battleground, you can say. Okay, where market has tried a lot of times to go up, go down, but it's okay, a little confusing around 4500. So I personally feel that around 4500, okay, there is a possibility of liquidity grab here. So during the day, if market takes support around 4500 or 4490, wait patiently. When market will be going up again, you can buy above 4500, because 4500 is also a crucial level. As I said, it's a battleground. Buyers and sellers both have been fighting around 4500. So in this situation, there is a possibility that after some liquidity grab, market will be going up. If you see market going above 4500, you can look for a buy position. Okay, this is our opportunity number one. Second trading opportunity on the chart of gold is around selling below 4490. For example, during the European session, listen to me carefully. Okay, European session, if you see, the market is consolidating. Okay, market is consolidating around 4492, 9395 area. After 2 to 3 years, there is a high chance that market will drop below 4489. After, listen to me, consolidation plays a very important role in any breakout or breakdown. So after consolidation, if market drops, okay, we can look for a sell below 4489 as well. So 4490, 4500 is going to play a crucial role. If market bounces up, we can look for a buy above 4500. If it breaks after consolidation, we can look for a sell position. And right now, 4546, okay, this is another level where I can look for a buy above it. During the European session or US session, there is a high chance that market will be going up. So after some consolidation like this, we can expect a breakout above it. So if market breaks after some consolidation, we can look for buy above 4546 as well. And 4600 is at the top. Its market is far away. The current market price is far away from 4600, so we don't know how the market is going to behave. But yes, there's a high chance that market will break 4600. If market breaks with high volume, for example, with candles like this, means green color candle, okay, not red, we can look for buy above 4600. And if you want to play it safe, if you do not want to take any risk, then obviously you can wait for the pullback. we have discussed plenty of times, so I do not want to repeat it again. So today, during the day, let's focus on this particular portion of the chart only. But I would like to mention one thing here, that whatever we have discussed means liquidity grab around 4500 or breakdown below 4490 are not very strong levels to trade. So do not take high risk. Why? Because we should not forget the market is stuck in a range bound market. Buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But whatever we have discussed, you can see, okay, they are on the middle of the chart, beach man. So the middle levels are not very strong always. Okay, but we are day traders, we want some opportunities, that's why we are discussing. And before buying at breakout above 4546, consolidation is important. Okay, bye bye, take care.